Do you know that something as simple as drinking water could be the reason behind your skin problems, dizziness, and even hair loss? Yes, you heard that right. Most people today don't realize that the way they drink water is completely wrong, and because of this, their bodies suffer silently. But what if I told you that an ancient Buddhist secret holds the key to drinking water the right way? Let me take you on a journey to a quiet monastery where a wise monk revealed a lesson that changed everything. Long ago, in a peaceful monastery nestled between the mountains, lived Master Liang. Unlike others, his skin glowed, his mind was sharp, and his energy never faded. One day, a young disciple named Wei approached him. He looked troubled. "Master, I eat well. I meditate daily, yet I feel tired. My skin looks dull, and my hair keeps falling. What am I doing wrong?" The master smiled. He didn't say a word. Instead, he led Wei deep into the forest, where a golden spring flowed with the purest water. The master knelt down, cupped his hands, and drank, slowly, mindfully. Wei felt thirsty. He rushed forward, scooped up the water with both hands, wait, and gulped it down in big, hurried swallows. The master watched him and then picked up a small pebble and dropped it into the spring. The water stirred. Ripples spread outward. "Do you see how the water loses its clarity?" the master asked. Wei nodded. "This is how most people drink water. Without mindfulness, they disturb the balance of their own bodies. But water is life itself. Drink it the wrong way, and it disrupts you. Drink it the right way, and it heals you." "But master, what is the right way?" Wei asked. The master smiled again. "There are 3 secrets. Secret 1. Sit before you drink. Just like a tree absorbs water best when its roots are still. Your body absorbs water better when you are sitting down. Secret 2. Sip, don't gulp. Drinking too fast is like a storm flooding the earth. It disturbs digestion. Sip slowly and let your body accept the water, like gentle rain soaking into dry soil. Secret 3. Drink at the right time. Water must be taken in rhythm, just like the sun rises and sets. Drink water when your stomach is empty, especially in the morning. Drink before your meals, and avoid drinking too much while eating. Wei listened. He followed this wisdom every day, and in time, his energy returned. His skin began to glow, his hair stopped falling, and his mind became sharper than ever before. Now let me ask you, how do you drink water? Are you rushing, standing, gulping it down without thinking? Or will you take a moment, sit down, and drink with awareness? Start today. Make this small change, and let your body feel the difference. And now, let's look at a few new English words from this story. Mindfulness. This means being calm and fully aware of what you are doing. Absorbs. This means to take something in, like how a sponge takes in water. Clarity. This means being clear, clean, or easy to understand. Disturbs. This means to interrupt or upset something that was calm or balanced. Rhythm. This means a regular and natural pattern, like a heartbeat or a song. Repeat these words with me, and try to use them in your own sentences later. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and life lessons, because sometimes the smallest changes bring the greatest transformations.